Hi friends, here we have S kth term is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k by k. We have to find the sum of such terms, squares of such terms up to 10. S1 square plus S2 square plus S3 square up to S10 square. What is S10? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10 by 10. Right. So here let's try to simplify this. Right. Here we can see the sum of first and natural numbers. First and numbers, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k. What is the sum of first n numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2, right? So then basically we can simplify this as k into k plus 1 by 2, and this k and the k in the numerator will cancel like this. For example, sk we can write it as k into k plus 1 by 2 by k, right? By k. This we can write it like this. K into k plus 1 by 2, and k will anyway remain. Right, this k and this k will cancel. It is equal to k plus 1 by 2. Right. So for example, S1 is 1 plus 1 by 2, which is actually equal to 1, which is here also it is 1 by 1. Right. So any nth term or S10 is equal to 10 plus 1 by 2. S5 equals to 5 plus 1 by 2. We can do this calculation also. Right. Here we have used the simple thing, sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Right. Now we have to find sum of this kind of series. Right. K plus 1 by 2 whole square from 1 to 10. That is this. Right. From 1 to 10, k plus 1 by 2 whole square from where k is 1 to k is to 10. Right. This This one, k plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to k plus 1 square by 2 square, right? The 2 square is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4, which we are bringing it outside. So this is equal to sigma 1 to 10, summation of 1 to 10, k plus 1 whole square. What does that mean? K, when k is 1, this becomes 2 square. And when k is 10, this becomes 11 square. So this means 1 by 4 into 2 square plus 3 square up to 11 square. We know the sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Here it is starting from 2, right? 2 square, 3 square. So let's do one thing. Let's add 1 and subtract 1, because we have the formula for 1 square to 11 square. So let's add 1 square also and subtract the same 1 square. Right, now we know the formula for 1 square plus 2 square plus up to 11 square. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Right. Right. What is this? This is sum of squares is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. What is n here? N is actually 11. So 11 into 11 plus 1, 12 into 11 to 22 plus 1, 23 by 6. Right. This part will become 11 into 12 into 23 by 6 minus 1. Right. Now, this 6 also we can take into numerator, 11 into 12 into 23 minus 6. Right. So, this 6 we can take it common. So there is a 12 here, right? 6. If we take it common, then 11 into 2 into 23 will be left. 11 into 2 into 23 minus 1. Right. Now, this simplifies to here on the right hand side, we want 5 by 12 here. Right. We want 12 in the denominator. So let us simplify this also. Here we have 4 into 6. Let's make it 2 into 6, and remaining 2 we cancel it here. So this becomes 3 by 12. And the inside part, 11 into 2 into 23. 22 into 23 or 46 into 11, whatever. This simplifies to 3 into 505. Right. Now this should be equal to 5 by 12a. That is what that is given. Right, we have to find out what is A. Right, 505 is actually equal to 5 into 101. Right, this 5 by 12, this 5 by 12 we can cancel. So A will be 3 into 101, which is equal to 303. Right, so the answer is 303. Right, very simple problem. Just that we have to be careful. First thing is we have to simplify this into using n into n plus 1 by 2 formula. We have to simplify this to k plus 1 by 2. Then this becomes very straightforward. The straightforward way is to calculate sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Here it is starting with 2. That's why we'll add 1 and subtract 1. to make it sum of first n squares. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.